Hello and welcome to Graphastic. This is me Fazilat Ali Ahmed. We are going to design a logo for the Melody, that is a music brand specialized in guitar chords and have a playful and modern style. And here's what we are going to design. So let's move to Illustrator to start designing. Select the type tool and click on the artboard. Type the name. Now I am selecting a bold font that is playful yet modern. This is the font that I am choosing for this project. Here I am expanding the text so each character becomes an individual object and I can edit the letter L. Now select the direct selection tool and click the letter L. Click and drag inward that point to make its edges round. Now select the lower anchor points and drag it downward with the down arrow key. Select the ellipse tool. Draw a circle while holding down the Alt and Shift button. Add the white fill for it so it's visible. Click and drag the circle while holding down the Alt button to make a copy of it. Now press Ctrl D to repeat the process of copying circle. In this way we will have the equal distance between each circle. Select the circle and letter L. Go to Windows tab and select the Pathfinder and click the minus front to create a compound shape and minus the circle from it. Now show the ruler and drag the horizontal guides in the middle of each circle. Drag the vertical guides on each side of word. Now select the pen tool and draw the line connecting the 2 points and add stroke. Repeat the process. Select and delete the guides. Select and group the lines by Ctrl G. Now add the color. I am selecting the brownish orange color that gives the playful vibes. Okay, so we are done with the wordmark logo. That's all for today. Hope you like it and learn from it too. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries, feel free to contact either on Instagram, Facebook, or you can also comment here. I will catch you in the next video. Happy learning!